Ow, my legs, they hurt. My knee hurts. Last thing I remember was a thunderstorm hit. I don't know what else happened. That's all. It hurts. Okay, I'm gonna try to look if there's any bandages in here. Okay, I'm looking, but I don't see any. Oh wait, I think I found something. Okay, I wrapped my knee off the bandage, and I'm feeling better. I'm kind of thirsty though. Oh, there's a smoothie shop. I'm gonna go there. Hi, can I give Oh my gosh, he's so cute. She's so cute. Hi, ma'am. Can I take your order? Oh, can I just get a strawberry juice, please? Yes, it'll be right almost done. Okay, thank you. Oh my gosh, why is he so cute? I'm sorry, ma'am, but we only have mango. I'm sorry about that. Oh, that's fine. This juice is amazing. Oh my gosh. Hi. I was wondering if I could get your number. I'm sorry. You're just really cute. No, it's fine. Here, I write it down and call me. Okay, thanks. Okay, he wrote his number on this piece of paper, and I'm so excited to call him. But first, I want to research him, so I'm probably gonna rent out a room in a hotel. So let me just rent a car first. So be right back. Okay, guys, I just called that hotel, and they said there's room available, and I also rented this really nice car. I'm surprised it was like $25 to rent. So cheap, right? Okay, I'm just gonna find a parking spot. Surprisingly, I'm kind of scared because there's no cars in here. Hopefully this isn't a bad hotel. I'm scared. Okay, let's check. Ooh, it's actually really nice. I like it. Okay, first I'm gonna lock the door. Okay, now I'm just gonna go make myself some lunch. Okay, I just found this ice cream in the freezer, so I'm just gonna eat that. I'm getting pretty tired, but I still want to research him, so I'm gonna do that later. But first, I'm gonna go change into my pajamas. Okay, I changed into some pajamas, and I just put my hair in some heatless curls. Now I'm gonna research him up, so see ya when it's done. Okay, I found out he is 17, which I'm 16, so we're a perfect match. His name's Asher. Wow, there's a lot of facts. He wants to be a lawyer when he grows up. Oh wow, his parents His parents are billionaires. Wow, that's so cool. I'm getting really tired, so I think I'm gonna head to bed.